Hey, what's up, Aces? Chris Coombs here, running my video for the Tim Duncan Topps Finest Rookie PSA 10. Got our list here. We've got Jacob for one, Smitty for one, Michael for one, Smitty for another, Rob 98 for one, Sean for one, Kyle for one, Paul for one, Sean for one, Jacob for another. And I'm going to copy that list. Let's see here. Let's scroll down here. As you can see, we are at Facebook, Aces and Eights group, 303. I'll go live. I want to thank you all for getting in. Live time is 3:04, current time 3:04. We are going to go to run a giveaway. Okay, we're going to obviously randomize this 8 times for Aces and Eights. We'll drop our list in here. I'm going to get these balloons out of there. Some people believe that it screws up the randomizer. I don't know if it's true or false, but I just figure it's better safe than sorry. So everybody's names are here, moved over without the balloons. So we went to random.org at 3:04, giveaway random.org. And we are going to randomize this list 8 times. First time at 3:04. Here we go. First time, Kyle. Second time, Paul. Let me close that out. Third time, Sean. Fourth time, Smitty. Fifth time, Sean. Sixth time, Michael. Seventh time, Kyle. Eighth and final at 3:05. Winner is Sean. Takes it with spot number 6. Congratulations, Sean. Got our verification code right here. We are going to come back to Aces. We are going to type in done. Our done time is 3:05. Current time is 3:05. Thank you very much. Congratulations, Sean, and have a great rest of your day, guys.